Dalu Mandirana Kragapa, Yanona Sobagu Parango, Rumchak Sunaska, Rumchak Tuan Baksa, Wamango, Facilitation Go Daknaska. First of all, I wish to extend a bouquet of flowers to our Honorable CM for coming and honoring today's function. Please offer a bouquet to our Honorable CM. Hi, Jakpadokna, hi, Jinma, hi. Pujamane Jol, Anchingni Speaker, Thomas A. Sangmana, hi, Anching, bouquet ko natna. Hi, Jakpadokna, hi. Tau Anchingni, PhD Minister, Mr. Marcus and Marakna Anching, Uku Anching Mandirani Godakin. Awanchang ni Salsalali MLA Mr. Arminson Sarna Dintham Saruko Mandirani Godaken. Hi Jakpadokna, hi. Tambi Jakpadokna, hi. Yani Jamanu Albinus CH Marak. In English, there's a saying, the horizon is far, but beyond the horizon, there is sunshine. I think today will go down the annals of the history of the state of Meghalaya as well as of Garo Hills, because today we have our agriculture innovation leader Sir Conrad Sangma with us, and with him and by him we have mustard processing unit, Arakan processing unit, cashew nut processing unit, ginger, turmeric, all also powered by solar, building up the entire ecosystem for agriculture development and for farmers' welfare. Sir, it is with deep sense of gratitude to you that we stand here to thank you for the wonderful commitment for the farmers' welfare that you have shown during your tenure as Chief Minister. I have landed here in Babadam about 17 months ago on July 1st, 2022. Father Sunny came to Babadam, and within the 17 months, with the support of the government of Meghalaya, we have been able to build up this infrastructure, not only just for Babadam, but as a model for the whole state, for our state as well as for our people. So, first of all, I wish to extend my most sincere gratitude to the state of our state leader, Sir Conrad K. Sangma. Our farmers have many problems. They were illiterate, they just followed what others said or they saw, and they never practiced scientific farming. Anchini giya kame chagu parang, mamang saloba, agan skia ko matni, umang ni giya kamani ko dakja, hindi pa sakben rang ni, dakani ko umang jari ke jang ke tangbaha. Yani asel adita umang adita ningni kan rang maneng na badonga. We see environmental hazards taking place. We see monocropping taking place. We see farmers being being chopped by the middlemen at various levels. So for all these problems of the farmers, Meghalaya government has supported the initiative of this cooperative, under which we have 34 primary societies, and we hope that we will be a model for the state of Meghalaya, not only for agriculture innovation, but also for cooperative development and for all other similar allied activities. During the last 1 year, I wish to inform our Chief Minister, we aggregated about 2 lakh kg of cashew nut. Although we suffered some losses of money, but we learned to do business as a society. Lakini kg cashew rangur yangupa biya bersini kisepo cingani society cimongaha cimongimum metamgo palaha metamgo cingayano process kaingaha. And we are our process cashew nut has reached Delhi, UP. We have also received demands from Russia and other places, and we are looking at export opportunities so that our products can move forward. To what extent we succeed, I am not sure, but we will not leave any stone unturned to ensure that farmers' welfare being the top priority. We will do whatever we can. Anjini giga me chagu parangna jeko dakna nanga orang ko chinga dakchomotkin aro government baksa Meghalaya government ni support ko manne Meghalaya government baksa ya kamrango chinga kangugen unigi men ya pla kamrang na government ko mitelan baksa anga angni agarani ko machota draska anchigni achika songna Meghalaya adokna ya anchigni pa Conrad K. Sangma ruta bilsi rangna siamonge biya chalai china ini anga nuku pa biya ngamong jama chanchat ni bomo anchigni pa Conrad Sangma ruta bilsi rangna Meghalaya adoko chief minister onge biya ya adoko chalai china aruna isolni sangani ko nuku pa isolni sangani aruri bilko ansimbal jogari ko unpachine ne biyan baksa angni agarani ko machota ta nethela.